What is a grain, and how is it different than a fruit and vegetable? If they all grow on a plant, how do you tell the difference? Which is which? Why are some grains called whole grain, while others are called enriched grain? Can I eat grain raw? How do they harvest it? Am I eating enough grain? What can I make with grain? Is there an easy way to learn all this?
Yup. Let's make it rain grain knowledge on you. And first, figure out how to tell the difference between a grain, vegetable, and a fruit. Also, fitness challenges to see how much you know. And at the end, you'll know grain like a pro for show. Let's start with what we know. All three come from a plant. Grains are seeds of cereal grasses known as kernels. Kernels contain three parts. You have the bran, or the protective outer shell, the endosperm, which is the middle, starchy part, and the germ, which allows it to grow. To be whole grain, it must contain all three parts. Now, enriched grain is only the endosperm. I bet you didn't know. 93% of Americans fail to consume half a cup of whole grains per day. That is insane. While Americans eat 1 whole cup of refined grains each day, which means they're only eating 1 part of the seed. There are 7 categories to grains. You have maize, which is corn, wheat, rye, barley, oats, rice, and sorghum. Any guess which is the most harvested grain in the world? It's actually produced here in North America, and it is maize or corn. Grains are harvested in all different kinds of ways. By hand, by machine, but I bet you didn't know, the human body cannot digest grains raw. They must be flaked, cracked, puffed, popped, or ground before eaten. Otherwise, your body cannot use them. If you're still not sure, grab the product and try to crush it in your hand. If it turns into a powder, it's probably a grain. So let's summarize what we previously learned to get you ready for the fitness challenge coming your way. While fruits, vegetables, and grains do come from a plant, fruits grow from the flowering part of a plant. They grow from either a tree or a vine, and they must contain seeds. While a vegetable comes from any edible or eatable part of the plant, and is either the root, stem, or leaf, and it does not contain seeds. While grains are seeds of cereal grasses, or kernels. They contain a bran, endosperm, and germ. There's 7 categories. You got maize, which is corn, wheat, rye, barley, oats, rice, and sorghum. Alright, with that information, get ready for the fitness challenge. You're gonna have to help us figure out, is it fruit, vegetable, or grain? I hope you learned the difference between a fruit and a vegetable, because now the real challenge starts. In what food group am I? In a little bit, you will have a food group popped out. You have to decide, is it a fruit or a vegetable or grain? If you think it's a fruit, you're going to be jumping jacks. If you think it's a vegetable, you're going to be doing squat jumps. If you think it's a grain, you'll be doing high knee. And remember, you only have a few seconds to think about it before the flame 10-second timer counts down. Good luck. You got this. Rice. It's a grain. Orange. It's a fruit. Brussels sprouts. It's a vegetable. Popcorn. It's a grain. Potato. It's a vegetable. Bread. It's a grain. Strawberry. It's a fruit. Spinach. It's a vegetable. Pretzel. It's a grain. Onion. It's a vegetable. Cheerios. It's a grain. Tomato. It's a fruit. Avocado. It's a fruit. Spaghetti. It's a grain. Eggplant. It's a fruit. Tortilla. It's a grain. Grape. It's a fruit. Carrot. It's a vegetable, and I hope by the end of this video, grain is stuck in your brain. Speaking of grain, let's let these old guys enjoy some grain. Have a good one.
Oh, don't forget to subscribe. More good stuff coming your way.